on the coat. Wait, let me put him on his long leash.
Is it okay to go here?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, we just walk along.
Yeah. What are you doing? Okay. Come on, Sage. Yes. Good. Yep. Well, get him.
No, huh? You're stay by me?
Swimming right here.
Oh, they're swimming. Yeah, I see.
I'll hang out with him.
Hey,
Winston!
where are the girls? Winston, where are they?
You're with two good swimmers here.
Go get them. There you go.
Boy, I'm right
See,
here.
my legs are
I'm
too
right
short.
here.
She has long legs. I can't get in that deep.
Look up.
There he goes. He's riding the waves. Look. Yay! Yay!
My legs are too short.
Here, Winston.
He really is such a baby.
I'm sure that, yeah. And he will have it. He has no problem. Good boy. Good boy. Yes.
Look, he's.
I think he likes riding the waves then, too.
That's cool that he comes back. Find it.
Where is it? Where is it, Sky?
Here, Sky, right here. Sky, here. Find it. Oh my gosh. Really?
Yeah, it's a fun trip.
That's cool. Did you grow up along the
No,
water?
I grew up in Philadelphia.
I thought.
That's right.
I came here when the first time when I was 16. The guy who owned the boat that I went sailing.
Oh, shell.
The banshee.
In the plant.
Oh, look at her.
Wow.
What are you doing? Look at your sister and mom. Whoa. Sky! Ooh, she wants that seagull. Whoa. Hi, buddy. Look at you. Look at you.